Hello, I'm Vassilis Drakonakis, Managing Director of Amadema. We're very excited to be here at the DEFEA exhibition 2025 in Athens. One more time, we have been also in 23 and 21. We are in the Cyprus pavilion booth. And we are certainly very happy to be here and present our technologies, our services and products. So what Amadema does, Amadema is Advanced Materials Design Manufacturing. We have been enhancing textiles and smart textiles for defense industry, but not only, for anti-ballistic applications, as well as thermal camouflage and stealth applications. And we have also been doing several components for armoring, structures for drones, and more. This is what we have been doing. We are located in Nicosia, and we are not working only on the defense industry. We are also working on space industry, as well as other industries, including maritime, construction industry, filtration industry, and more. We are willing to further work with you. Please contact us to learn more about Amadema.